I got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottle cottage cheese for the way. And I sure would like some sweet company. I'm leaving tomorrow. What do you say?
Hello everyone. This is a different day from my first video. Today, I'm going to be reviewing cottage cheese with sriracha on the cottage cheese. Today, we have my friend Aaron bring the sriracha.
Just stand next to him. Just like a normal human interaction.
Sriracha on the cottage cheese.
You guys are awkward as fuck.
Today's gonna be the day it all turns back to you.
Yeah, I think that's cottage cheese.
Right now it's gonna somehow, but it's gotta be alive to you.
I think I taste the sriracha. Yeah, I would say it kind of tastes like when you have cottage cheese and then you put like sriracha in it and then you mix it up a little bit and then you eat it. That's kind of what it tastes like. So like, if you can imagine, like, you have some cottage cheese and then you have some sriracha and then you put the sriracha into the cottage cheese. That's kind of what it tastes like when you put sriracha into the cottage cheese and then you eat it.
I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now.
That's a thick boy.
Ooh.
So good. So good.
I just ate the sriracha and cottage cheese, and my thoughts are that, considering it's my first time eating sriracha and cottage cheese, just now, this is actually my first bite. Yeah, so basically, my thoughts on the sriracha and cottage cheese are pretty good. I think that the sriracha, it goes onto the cottage cheese, and then when you eat it, it kind of tastes like sriracha and cottage cheese. I'm about to take my first bite. Oh, fuck. God damn it. Okay, guys.
2 girls, 1 cup.
Ah. Yes, so I swallowed the cottage cheese. It tasted pretty good. Thanks, guys. I swallowed the cottage cheese. Okay, see you in a bit.
You can rate it out of 10?
I gave the last one a 12.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so basically, we got, we took some cottage cheese and we put some sriracha in it, and I give this cottage cheese I don't know 11.63.
Is it better? Is it like golf, or like? Is it better or worse than a 12?
Just making shit up, bro.
Okay, but like we should probably keep track of what's the best.
Yeah, 11.63.
So good.